Yo, so time to get into this SRD. I think the first thing we're going to do is remove this nightshade off the rear tail lights. It's the simple things, just the easy stuff first. Also got these factory front shock suspension, if anyone wants those, $50. Take them away, all yours, all yours. Yeah, we just ripped them off the front, got those bloody trailer wheels off. And yeah, like, well yeah, it's 5-stud, it's got knuckles, got LCAs, but caster arms, nothing else. I was also maybe gonna take that off or maybe paint it, do something like that, but yeah, I mean, give you a full look. Looking pretty good, looking pretty nifty up the front there. Pretty jank over fenders too, like, I mean, at least it's got fenders, but yeah, they're pretty janked. Might get, yeah, some new 30s, 30 fronts, just get some Origin stuff. But yeah, these maybe for sale as well. Yeah, if you got an offer for those, maybe not those, might keep those for now, but yeah, front fenders and shocks. So like, 150 for the fenders, 50 for those. We got the 14 outside, just soaking up some sun or waffing ridge. Looking all high in that, looking all big, looking all jeebus. But yeah, pretty much just need to chuck the screamer back on that, and that should be ready for summer bash, which is sick. But yeah, that's that thing. Seen some, I was searching up some videos last night, seeing how to get this nightshade off. They reckon gasoline, brake cleaner, I might try some oven cleaner, something like that. But yeah, I guess we'll start experimenting. What the, I mean, yeah, it's definitely not a good job, so time for that to come off. Not liking the look of that, boys, so let's see if we can fix that. So this is really the lightest coat of gas, petrol, 91. And it actually looks like it's working, so just gonna keep hitting this. That's that compared to black, so minutes. Actually coming out super good. Didn't realize how good gas would actually work. Look at your side, boss. Oh, bucket just takes ages, eh? Slowly coming there, boys. She's working away. Yep. Looking like a S30 now, though, slowly. Me and Bailey didn't want to wreck paint. Even, I mean, it's not the best paint, but we didn't want to wreck it anyway, so took the lights out. And we'll give you a look. It's actually working pretty good, so gas gets off a nightshade. The homie that coated these was going hard, but for the most part, we're getting there. The restore is happening, boys. Good to see they're coming back to life. That one there, she's looking not too bad. Getting there, eh? So thick. We done. How much better is that? So it took about 30, no, not even that, like literally like 20, 25 minutes. We just used typical 91 from the gas station, experimented, worked, and yeah, I mean, as you could see, it literally ripped the nightshade off. See you later to nightshade, restores coming in. But you know, they look super sick now. They're so good. Literally brand new. I can tell the difference. Let's chuck them back in the car. So, yo, that's the finished product of the lights. Came out, yeah, bloody amazing. Way better than we thought. Just a bit of gas, bit of 91. So, if your car's got a nightshade on it, and you don't like it, yeah, steal your dad's lawnmower gas, and you have some fresh lights. Literally like brand new again. Pretty hyped, boys. I'm hoping this weekend we Okay. So I almost smashed the door there, but yeah, so anyway, hopefully this weekend gonna be sorting that power steering rack, front coilovers so we can drop this thing down again. Someone to ask if you got any ideas, you seen anything you want me to do on it, let me know down below. Also I think we're nearly at 550 subscribers, so hit that button, you already know. So we got the green machine all jacked up. Just taking the focus. Yeah, the plumbing pipe off. Just taking this clamp off now, and about to chuck the weapon back on, if you want to call it the screamer pipe. But yeah, gonna chuck this back on so we can actually properly drive and won't affect the tune. Sometimes these clamps are a bit of a mission, so just chuck this in there. And there you go. See you later to the plumbing. Hello to my little friend. So yeah, the difference being dumb and quiet and what we've always wanted. So you can chuck this thing back on. I'm gonna grab the blanking flange here, just to block it on the downpipe side, or downpipe side. And yeah, I'll install this and let you guys know how it goes. Hello? No, check out my phone! Yeah! Phone Bailey! Yeah! Nah, fucking see you later to the fucking smiley face, fucking plumbing, the phone, the telephone, whatever you want to call it. Gone. See you later. Summer bash with the screamer, here we come. Put the bottom V-band on. It's all tight in there, so now I'm just going to do the top one, put the screamer pipe on, and we'll show you that. So sure. All sorted. Screamer in there. I may need to move it back over that way, but we'll go for a test drive. We'll see what it does, see how it sounds, see if it boosts properly now. So yeah, give her a quick startup. Oop, take it out again. Oh shit, that's a bit loose. Sounds the same, so hopefully it'll be alright. Yeah. Have a smell, pretty good. Fix that up too. I was going out to my first waff shop, that happened, the number plate snapped off. I think we'll just do a bit of a self tap, something like that. I've welded it like 6 times and it just keeps snapping, so yeah. We'll self-tap that. We'll just go for a cruise now. We'll see if it hits some boost. Also, waff rig cert, we're legal, so we're allowed to do this. Even with the screamers legal too. Wait. Oh yeah, nah. Screamer's sounding good. I don't know about you, but I'm loving it. Let's go. We'll see you in a couple minutes out on the street. Man's a little bit diff right now, but yeah, screamer works. As you can see, we'll put the clips in. Well, they're probably in before this, but yeah, I think that's today's video. Got the nightshade done on the lights, on the S13 lights, so they turned out bloody mint. Have another look at those real quick. So yeah, pretty much looks like the old mate the Mad Butcher's just gone down to old Nissan and purchased some brand new taillights. So gasoline, all you need to clean that nightshade. Yeah, so that's, yeah, this thing done. Just starting, mate, what are you on? And yeah, this thing's just got like a little bit of an exhaust rattle. Just, yeah, literally comes loose every time. But, I mean, we'll try to sort it out. If not, this thing's good to go for summer bash. Maybe lower it a little bit, maybe not. Also, if you're going to Summer Bash, let me know. I'll be keen to meet up with all of y'all there. All crews. It's going to be a mean day, mean fun. Comment down below if you're going, what you're taking. And yeah, I hope to see you out there, and we'll see you in the next one.